Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change profile pictures on the TikTok application. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the TikTok application. So after opening you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So after here you can see edit profile, so click on it and then click on change photo. So after this here select from gallery. So you can select pictures from your gallery. So after selecting, here wait some second. So after this click on it and then click on confirm. So you can see here save post, so click on it. So if you want to crop, you can also crop it and then click on save post. So here wait some second. So you can see profile picture is changed. So guys, in this way you can change profile pictures on the TikTok application. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.